We're here today to organize a hackathon together with Brussels Airlines. We're exploring the potential of data and AI and see in what ways data and AI technology can improve Brussels Airlines, making it an even better airline for tomorrow. We're bringing data tech people together with the industry because that's where the magic happens.
Now here many people are working on data, working in the hackathon. It's also very tangible for everybody who's just passing by and see what's possible with data. So that our people are thinking maybe in the future a little bit different about how to find solutions. So about, okay, what can I do with our data, what we all have and collecting every day.
And with the results from our hackathon, we will get concrete numbers where potential savings are implementable. And we will, on top of that, not only get concrete quantities, what could be saved, we also will get some solution sketches, how these potentials could be leveraged by some process changes.
Both companies can learn from each other's strengths. So on the one hand, Brussels Airlines learns a lot about how modern data architecture and artificial intelligence works, as well as our team learns a lot about how Brussels Airlines is running their airline and more processes, the unique processes that are behind this as well. So together we can improve passenger experience in the future.